everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I am obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing and demonstrating how to use the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid by Glow Recipe right here. Okay guys, so first of all, Glow Recipe, you know what? I've used their pineapple seed serum. I really liked it. Now I went into their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I was excited to buy this just because, first of all, Glow Recipe is just like a fun brand. Their packaging is just, I mean, marketing genius. This looks like a little pink plum, and rightfully so. I've been using this product for like months now, and I always love a good vitamin C or a hyaluronic acid in my routine. This product is $42. That's pretty expensive for a hyaluronic acid serum, but I believe this product may be worth it because of the ingredient list. You guys, I go through the first couple ingredients. The rest, girl, like I said, if you've watched my other videos, ingredients sometimes could be a little misleading or they could lie because of course there's quality issues. But this serum has an insane amount of different plum extracts. There's wild plum from Australia. There's wild plum from India, known as the master healer plants. I mean, there's like 3 or 4 different types of plum from all around the world in this serum, which I think is just like the coolest thing ever. The second or the third ingredient from water to glycerin is a clean, soft, smooth, glowing emollient. Which is like, an emollient is a layer of hydration that's formed over the barrier of your skin. So that's like ingredient number 3. Then it goes into the list of all the different types of plums, and then it goes into the hyaluronic acids. You guys, hyaluronic acid is a cheaper ingredient. However, when products like this with like Glow Recipe, the quality is just much better. And I can tell this company is going through great lengths to try to give us the best ingredients, because skincare people like myself, we're starting to clock brands. Like, listen, you guys are promoting this, but girl, it's like number 20 on your list. Not in this product's case. This, like, I'm honestly like blown away. And I love how skincare ingredients and products are getting more and more creative with getting like those really good medicine type ingredients from around the world and being packaged in this. Packaging is amazing. It's glass. We love glass packaging. I always said this on here is a little cheaply done. I don't know. I don't like this. It's very clean looking, but it chips, but I don't know, whatever. Anyway, let's start. And look at, you can even see the little crease like a plum. I don't know if you could make that out in the camera, but it's like a little plum. So cute. Okay, you guys get 1 fluid ounce for $42. Let me read you a little bit about what Sephora has to say about this. Then I'm gonna apply it to my skin and I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. So the details of this product is a hydrating serum with juicy plum and 5 weights of hyaluronic acid that fills skin with hydration for a visibly plump effect. You guys, people hear the word plump and they're like, what? You want to be plump and supple with your skin. You don't want your skin to be saggy and dry and cracky. You want things to be moisturized, bouncy, plump. So when you put your makeup on, it's like a flawless like finish. So, and you also want your, especially serums, to be extremely potent, which I love because all of the plum fruit extracts in here are what's strong. You want the extract of a product, okay? So the skin types this is used for is normal, dry, combination, and oily. I agree with that totally. I think anybody could benefit from this. The skincare concerns that this product is supposed to address dryness, loss of firmness, and elasticity, and fine lines and wrinkles. You guys, hyaluronic acid addresses fine lines and wrinkles by plumping up your skin, by giving it so much hydration that any little dry line that you have on your skin is basically filled in by the ingredients, and boom, they're gone. And guys, first of all, can we just talk about the natural glow I have going on right now? Nothing's applied to my skin, girl. We love a natural glow. You know, we love it, girl. We love it. Okay, then it just goes into all of the antioxidant plums that they have in here, and I agree with them because they're like top 10 ingredients, all their plums and hyaluronic acids. Then there's a vegan collagen and silk proteins. Plant-based powerhouse ingredients. You guys, I don't always agree with natural ingredients. Natural ingredients can also be bad for you. Don't put all your weight in natural ingredients. Just because something says natural doesn't mean it's good. There are still bad natural ingredients. But I just want to let you guys know that. So then, of course, there's all kinds of clinical results. Do we believe the clinical results on here? I don't know. It's clean at Sephora, so that's good. Let's get this product on my skin. So you pop it open and you have this squirter right here. I love it. It keeps the ingredients locked in. And I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand for you so you can get a look. So right here, 2 pumps is usually what I use. So it's a little thick in consistency. It's totally clear, has no fragrance in it whatsoever, and I just apply this amazingness to my skin, and look at this, how it just glides over. It feels so good. And I just bring it all around, up. It feels so soft on my skin, and it's very, very easy to apply. It literally just glides across your skin, and it's amazing. Look at that. Glide. Glide. Here it is on my hands. Usually I have like excess just because of how nicely this product glides across your skin. A little does get you a decent long way. And then I just start patting, and oh my God, it makes my skin so soft. Love it. We love a good plump cheek moment. I bring this down my neck, and you know what I love so much when I do this product is I love to just massage it in my face until it's like totally soaked in, and just let my skin reap the benefits of the insane plum extracts from all around the world. Basically, it's like all just combined in this little packet. So you guys, do I recommend this product? Yeah, I do. I think it's great. I really like it. I would recommend a different hyaluronic acid. However, not in this case, just because of the unique ingredients that you get with this product. I think it's worth the price of $42. I know I like to usually recommend a different hyaluronic acid, but this product's just pretty unique, and I think it's worth a shot, and I think it's worth the go for anybody's skin. Super delicate on your skin, not abrasive, doesn't tug your skin when applying, doesn't bother your skin. I mean, this is just a really great product, and it would be really nice to have in your daytime skincare routines. I prefer using this product in the day. Nighttime routine, usually I put some La Mer in it. You know, I dab a little La Mer on it, but if you're dried skin, you're gonna be obsessed. Any skincare type, you're gonna be obsessed with this product. So I definitely agree that you guys should get it. Go test it out. Glow Recipe, Plum Plump Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum. Yes, queens. Good job, Glow Recipe. I love ya. Everybody, till next time, follow me on Instagram where you guys can see all my outfits, all my daily skincare routines. I'm constantly mixing things up just a little bit, not too much because it could irritate my skin. I know, I'm on that grind, don't worry. But follow me on Instagram. I'm super active in my stories, and I'm super active with posting. Also, follow me on the Like to Know It app where you can sign up for free. You could shop all the skincare products that I post to my Instagram and outfits right from this site. It's like a better version than Pinterest. You guys, until next time, stay hydrated, stay moisturized, and stay plump. Love you guys. Bye.